Hey guys, it's Blair with RevitAuto, and in this video, you're going to be watching our very first new segment, Small Business Sundays. We're here in Bowie, Maryland, outside of Greentec Auto, and I'm going to go ahead and meet one of the founders of the company, Paul, and get a better understanding for what this business is all about. Paul, thanks so much for showing me your facility here in Bowie, Maryland. This is really cool. I love it. But I gotta ask, how did this whole entire operation begin?
So my dad has a repair facility in Northern California. We all grew up wrenching on cars after school, summer breaks. You know, we had to be at work, changing engines, cleaning the floor, whatever he had us doing. He started his shop in 1990. He moved from Russia in 1989 with 6 kids. They had 6 more in the United States. So me and my brothers kind of grew up in a shop environment, working on cars on our spare time.
So you're already in the automotive industry, and then what happened? What made you switch to green?
My sister's battery failed in her Prius. We really looked into it and nobody offered a hybrid battery other than the dealership, which was, you know, in 2011, like a $4,000 bill. So we looked into it, we fixed her Prius, and then we had a couple extra we fixed, we put them on eBay, and they flew off the shelf.
Wow. So what you're saying in short is that your sister is really the founder and the starter and the owner of this company.
She kind of calls a couple shots.
Yeah, I'm already intimidated to meet her now. So her hybrid battery fails, and that's the spark that ignited this whole entire operation. How long did it take for you guys to become Greentec Auto after the hybrid battery?
So once we fixed her car, we were able to fix a couple more batteries that we had leftover material. And a year later, we were opening our first facility.
Okay, so it went from like, hey, this is our new everything.
Right.
We're just gonna rock and
All
roll.
in.
And then boom, now you're here, 2019, and just killing it. You have 19 locations across the country. You've got a bunch of different people and a bunch of different shoes. Where are all your new batteries coming from?
So we've been working with a supplier for our brand new battery packs for the last 5 years. Mm-hmm. We've been going back and forth. You know, our reputation is on the line, and that's a big deal for us. So we wouldn't just put any battery that a brand new manufacturer would send us. We worked with the same manufacturer for years, sending samples back and forth until we have a great product we can trust and put our name on.
Wow. So to support all of those people, do you guys have like a hub, or what's the?
So we have 2 main facilities that supply the rest of the shops as the hub locations. The rest are kind of a service location that, you know, we stock your daily batteries of your most popular. That way, if your car breaks down, we can get you in and back on the road within a day or 2.
Yeah, when we called to make an appointment for Marty's hybrid, I think you guys came out the next day and replaced it. It was really fast, efficient, and got him on the road, because he's got 3 kids, so he can't be without his car, you know, for longer than 4 hours.
Yeah, so a big thing for us is customer service and getting people back on the road, because you can't really go to work without your car, and when the Prius battery goes bad, the car is not drivable.
Yeah.
So we strive to get it done as fast as possible.
Okay, that's awesome. And then when we were doing research on which battery we wanted to go with for Marty's hybrid, we wanted to go with a brand new one, because he's going to keep this car forever. He drives all over the place. He didn't want to have the expense of purchasing another vehicle. Do you guys have like a lower cost option than just brand new batteries?
Yeah, so we have a remanufactured packs that we invested a lot of research and development over the years to make an affordable pack that's gonna last you as long as possible.
Okay.
So we have both. The new battery pack also is a 4-year warranty, unlimited miles.
Awesome.
And it's perfect for Marty, because he doesn't have to get the new car, and he's worry-free for the next 4 years. If anything does happen, we take care of it, no cost to him. We're always looking to expand our inventory, so we want to carry every make and model. Every make and manufacturer is getting into it. Mm-hmm. We want to have all those batteries in stock. So
wow.
We don't only do hybrid batteries. We'll do EV, like the Chevy Volt or the Nissan Leaf. We're also developing a replacement pack.
Wow.
Just because after, you know, 5-10 years on a Nissan Leaf, deterioration gets to that battery pack and your range is going down. So there's also a lot of second life options for those packs to
What
where.
do you mean by second life?
So so let's say a Chevy Volt, once you change that battery, the battery is no longer good for the car because the capacity is not there of what the car needs.
All right.
But the battery is not necessarily bad. You can still put it in a forklift, a golf cart, and you can still use that battery pack for years on end.
So this forklift behind me, is this a factory lead cell battery or is
No,
this?
so we replaced that with a lithium-ion battery pack from a Chevy Volt.
No way.
So we got it, the battery was bad, and instead of recycling it, we fixed it and use it every day.
So we were hunting around, and there is a ton of other companies out there that do what you guys do, but what separates you from everyone else?
So as of right now, we're the only company that actually offers a brand new pack for hybrid cars. We offer the best warranty with unlimited miles. Another big difference is we have a nationwide footprint. We're from coast to coast. Our 19 locations are scattered across the country. We are the only people that offer an in-shop installation. So you can come to any one of those 19 facilities and do it here, or a mobile installation. A lot of people advertise free mobile installation, and that's only because they don't have a
physical location.
They don't have a brick and mortar facility where you can come in and see the business and make sure it's there.
Yeah.
So like a lot of companies that go under, we'll get a phone call and a customer will think they bought from us because it's the same color, green website or something, but they can't find that person anymore.
So you guys have 19 locations right now. Are you guys trying to expand? Like, what's the future of the company looking like?
Yes, sir. So our goal is to have one in every major city. And we're also looking to expand into Canada.
So you have 19 locations, you have a massive major hub, 2 major hubs actually. Well, how many employees do you guys have?
Currently we have 85 employees.
How many batteries would you say on average you think you're replacing on a daily basis?
We can do anywhere from 50 to 60 our busy season.
That's insane. How many of those batteries, though, do you have comeback issues with on?
Okay, so a lot of times when someone gets their battery installed and they stumble upon the red light again or a check engine, typically there's other problems going on with the car, which we work with the customer and we do deeper diagnostics. It could be an inverter with a Prius, or a Prius has a common issue, the inverter pump goes out. So a lot of times we'll work with the customer, we'll do the diagnostics, we'll have them come into our shop, and we'll do our best to fix their car because that's our main goal. Now, doing thousands of batteries a year, sometimes a battery does fail. When it does, our warranty will cover it at the 19 locations, nationwide, unlimited mileage, and if you're outside your warranty, we're gonna work with you because at the end of the day, you're our customer and we want you back on the road. And on the mobile, if you pay the mobile fee the first time and you have a battery issue, we're not gonna charge you a second time to come out. That's all covered under the warranty.
Yeah, that's awesome, man. Yeah, I'm really glad that we went with you guys. I've got all those warm and fuzzy feelings that, when you click buy on the internet, you're not exactly sure if you're gonna get the quality product that has been advertised, but after being here, now I know, this is our home for batteries now. Well, Paul, thank you so much for showing me kind of how this whole operation works. I really appreciate it. And I'll let you go on with about your day and we'll get all packed up here and get out of here.
Sounds good, thank you.
All right, thanks, boss. What is the lamest song that you like listening to that you're proud of?
The lamest song?
Yeah, mine is Respect, R-E-S-P-E-C-T. I listen to that joint in the morning. I literally hit that joint, click, R-E-S-P-E-C-T.